This is amazingana. I'm gonna show how to make a chicken wings now. Yum. First, prepare chicken wings and add some spices. After adding spices, you're gonna mix up and add in some cornstarch. Mix up, put on the fryer and put on your air fryer for chicken wings. Then add soy sauce, honey, and some spices. Mix up. After finished chicken, you're gonna put the sauces, and that's it. Yummy chicken is ready. It's so good, so delicious. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like it, please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.